Previously on Tech Tuesday, we looked at how you can retrieve your autosaved password from your Mac computer or a mobile device. Today, in this final edition of Tech Tuesday for this year, we're looking at Google Chrome and how you can optimize your experience using pins and groups. So let's have a look at what they are and how you can utilize them to streamline your workflow in Google Chrome. Right-click on the tab that you would like to pin and click on Pin. Two things will happen. First of all, the tab will move all the way to the left corner of the screen. The second thing, there's no cross sign next to them, so you cannot accidentally close them. Let's pin another tab and one more. Now I have 3 tabs that have been pinned, and once I close Google Chrome, they will still be there. It's a helpful feature for the tabs or web services that you often use. Groups is another feature of Google Chrome that makes your browsing experience more streamlined. To add a tab to the group, right-click on the tab, go to Add Tab to the new group. Google Chrome will give a color to the group, which you can change later on. You can also name this group. This group will be called Tag, and I can now add other tabs to this group. I can right-click on the tab and add tab to the group Tag. What happens with the group, once I am finished with these tabs and I still want to save them, I don't want to close them, I can simply click on this group and the group will shrink all the tabs that are associated with this group. Let's create one more. Let's now add this tab to the new group, Work. Give it a different color, and now I have this tab that belongs to the Work group. If I want to add one more tab, I can either right-click or I can simply drag this into the Work group. I now have 2 tabs, and I can click on Work and close this group of tabs. I think this makes the Google Chrome experience much more streamlined and your browser looks much more organized. Today we've looked at Google Chrome pins and tabs and how they can make your browsing experience more organized. This is our final Tech Tuesday installments for this year. This is the 30th episode for this year. If you ever missed an episode, you can go to the KS YouTube, go to playlist, find Tech Tuesday, and all the Tech Tuesday for this year and the years to come will be there. On behalf of the entire EdTech department, I wish you a wonderful and restful summer break, and we'll see you in the next installment after the summer break. All the best, and we'll see you in the new academic year.